Looking to make your photos pop with the new photographic styles on iPhone? With photographic styles, you can adjust the tone and warmth of your photos while keeping skin tones looking natural. In this guide, I'll show you how to turn on and use this feature for the perfect shot. Let's dive in. Open the camera app. Make sure you're in photo mode. Tap the arrow at the top of the screen, or swipe up in the camera app to reveal additional options. Look for the photographic styles icon. It looks like 3 cards stacked. Tap the icon to enter the styles menu. Now swipe left or right and go through the styles. You'll see several options: standard, rich contrast, vibrant, warm, cool, and more. If you want, you can tap on tone and warmth from here to adjust them to your liking. Once you've chosen a style, it becomes your default for future photo. Frame your subject and tap the shutter button. Your selected style will apply automatically. With photographic styles, you can personalize your photos while keeping them looking professional. Give it a try, and tell us which style you like best. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone photography tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.